Today we have a new product from StyleCraft. I'm super excited to bring you guys. It's the second coming of the StyleCraft Instinct Clipper, and this one is called the StyleCraft Instinct X. So StyleCraft brought back their smart motor, the vector motor, into the Instinct X, but they created a body that was going to be a little bit larger and a little more comfortable for your average consumer. On this one, it's going to come with the motor covered, and the matte finish is going to reduce glares so you don't have anything shining back in your face as you're cutting. This one does come with the fade blade, and it comes perfectly zero gapped out of the box. Has a nice solid click lever that can help you make sure you don't lose your place in your fade, along with USB charging. The white and the red lid is brand new. Anybody sees this on your station, they know it's the new Instinct X. The charging dock is a little bit slimmer than the last one, and I'll show you a comparison momentarily. Of course, you have your extra long charging cable that gets plugged into the wall, along with the USB cable that can be used for more at-home users. StyleCraft knows that we loved being able to look at the motor as it cut, so they gave us an option, a clear window we can use. Here we have the classic dubs. Now these come in white, which is awesome for seeing the hair feed through, and the accessory bag that'll include the stretch bracket, multiple colors of lever, and an extra cam follower just in case your clipper ever gets too loud, and don't forget the screwdriver. The manual inside is going to have all the information you need for maintenance and warranty information. And here we can do a nice side-by-side comparison of the original Instinct and the new Instinct X. You can see that the Instinct X has a body that's much more similar to the StyleCraft or the Gamma Ergo, and this is where you can see the side-by-side comparison of the two docks. The new one really is a little bit more square, a little bit more slim, which is going to be very helpful if you have a tight station. So make sure that you use your discount code TitoCuts if you want to save 15% on your order of the new StyleCraft Instinct X.